In this video we can see that how we can configure main class in a pom.xml. So whenever we double click on a jar file, then internally it is running. So first of all we take here start class and add main class file of Spring Boot application, practice application with package name. Now it's done. Now we can install again. Please successfully done. Now we can go in a jar file, open this location, okay, double click on this jar file. I think it should be start. So currently in this application, on start the application, and now check out in API it's working or not. Yeah, that's working. So we can just configure here in pom.xml, and after generating the jar file we can just double click on that. So internally it is not open any cmd any phone, but it is internally it is started. So that's it.